Hello everyone, I'm Mike Anderson from Collision Advice, and this is my great friend Danny Gredinberg from the DEG. And we are so excited to be working with SCRS to bring you a brand new series of quick tips to help you to boost your business.
Welcome back to this week's estimating tip. Today we're going to talk about an invisible product, ceramic coatings. This vehicle has it applied on the hood, completely invisible. It's a pretty cool product. Barry, tell us more about it.
So what ceramic nanocoatings are, and that's a generic term because there's many variations. What they are is they are a polymer that actually bonds to the refinish substrate, the paint substrate itself, and they deeply embed themselves in there because of their long-lasting properties.
Well, it sounds like a paint protection, and it keeps the car cleaner, reduces the frequency of washes,
Correct.
Even scratches. It sounds like it's a very hard coating.
Correct.
So it also sounds like in the repair process, it creates some challenges. Tell us about some of the challenges you face.
Well, first of all, you want to talk with your customer to make sure that the vehicle has it, or if it doesn't. You want to know that immediately because that's going to affect the overall process from both the removal to the reinstallation of it, because that's critical. And from a repair process, if you're just simply repairing the panel and simply sanding the hood down, or in this case the hood, you want to make sure that you remove it first. And we have not had success with chemically removing it. We've had to, the machine or mechanically, get the product off. In the repair process, so let's assume this hood had some damage and we're trying to repair that damage. Even the most current systems out there, like your glue pull systems, the adhesive from the glue systems will not stick to it, so it immediately pops off. So you want to make sure that you remove it in its entirety prior to the repair, and then you want to wait that time frame to make sure that once your repair is completed, you want to check with your paint manufacturer and make sure that the time frame that you can reapply it, but you want to make sure that you do have it reapplied before you return it back to your client.
You bring up a great point that you have to remove this product before performing repairs. Remember, all three estimating systems' labor times are based on new undamaged panels, not having any type of coating applied from the aftermarket on the vehicle. So remember, all three systems not included operation to remove this product, as well as after discussing with the customer that the vehicle has it, you want to talk with your paint manufacturers and get the recommendations as far as reapplying this product on a freshly painted panel, because you do not want to seal, trap the gases that are still curing out of the freshly painted parts of the vehicle. So we hope you enjoyed this week's estimating tip. Have a great day. If you find these tips helpful, please subscribe, like, and share, and comment below for any future suggestions. Thank you for watching.